How do I use the WPS button to connect to my wireless network?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the WPS button to easily connect to your wireless network. This is a great tool that can make your life a lot easier when connecting new devices to your network. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, and it's a feature that many modern routers and devices support.
What is a WPS button?
Before we start, let's clarify what we mean by the WPS button. The WPS button is a physical button on your Wi-Fi router or access point. Its location can vary depending on the model, but it's often on the back or side. It's generally labeled as WPS or represented by an icon of two arrows forming a circle. Pressing this button allows for a quick and secure connection to your network without needing to enter the Wi-Fi password.
When to use the WPS button?
The WPS button is incredibly handy when you want to connect a new device to your network quickly, or when you have a device that doesn't have a user interface where you can easily type a password. Examples could include smart home devices, game consoles, or Wi-Fi extenders. Please note that both your router and the device you're trying to connect need to support WPS for this to work.
How to use the WPS button?
Here's the step-by-step guide on how to use the WPS button. 1. Ensure that the device you want to connect to the network is in range of your Wi-Fi router. 2. Press the WPS button on your router. This will enable WPS mode, allowing devices to connect without a password. 3. On your device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and select your network. You should see an option to connect via WPS. This might look different depending on the device, but it's often a separate option in the Wi-Fi settings or a button labeled WPS, Connect with WPS, or something similar. 4. Select the WPS option on your device. This will trigger the device to connect to your network. You should see a confirmation once the connection is successful. Please note that the WPS mode on your router will only stay active for a couple of minutes, so you need to complete the process quickly. If it doesn't work the first time, just try again and make sure to start the process on your device as soon as you've pressed the WPS button on your router. And that's it. You now know how to use the WPS button to connect to your wireless network. It's a quick and easy method that can save you time and avoid the hassle of entering long, complicated passwords. Remember, the most important part is to ensure your device and router both support WPS and are in range of each other. Happy connecting, and we hope this video has been helpful.